Good health is the cornerstone of a promising future. A child who receives proper nutrition, medical care, and emotional support grows up stronger, both physically and mentally. Similarly, when adults prioritize their well being, they are better equipped to pursue their dreams and contribute positively to society. Now, I would like to request Mariam from Malaysia to share her speech.
Good morning, sirs, and good morning, madams.
First of all, thank you to the organizing committee for inviting me to share on the valuable topic of healthy beginning and hopeful futures. I'm honored to be part of this special event presenting my country, Malaysia. The theme that I wish to share is healthy beginning and hopeful futures. Let me introduce myself. My name is Mariam binti Abdul Hafiz. I am 13 years old from siblings of 4. I am the eldest in the family. I am now studying in SMK King George V in one of the states in Malaysia, Negeri Sembilan. SMK King George the Fifth is one of the best school in Negeri Sembilan. So far, my achievements while I was in the primary school are: firstly, I have achieved the Excellent Academic Award from my school for year 2024. Secondly, I represent the state of Negeri Sembilan for athletics. Thirdly, recently, I received the award of Best Character of Ambassador under school level. Now, let me touch on the topic. It is often said that a strong foundation leads to a stable future. This is especially true when it comes to health. The way we begin our journey, whether as individuals, families, or societies. As we all know, that a healthy beginning starts before birth. With proper maternal care, nutrition, and a nurturing environment. It continues through childhood with vaccinations, education, and emotional well-being. It is in these early years that we lay the groundwork for physical health, mental resilience, and lifelong habits. Example, I have received an immunizations since my birth in 2012 till I am 13 years old. This includes BCG, hepatitis B, DTaP, MMR, and HPV, annual dental routine checkup. But healthy beginnings are not just only for children. Every stage of life offers a chance to reset, renew, and rebuild. A person recovering from illness, a professional starting a new career, or even a nation rebuilding after a crisis. All need a strong, healthy beginning to ensure a hopeful future. Hopeful futures are not a matter of luck. They are built on choices, policies, and support systems that prioritize well-being. Government must invest in healthcare and education. Communities must foster environments that support mental and physical health. And each of us, in our own way, must make decisions that prioritize health. Because a hopeful future is only possible when we take care of the present. Let us embrace healthy beginnings today, so that we can all enjoy hopeful futures tomorrow. With this brief introduction, I thank you and terima kasih.